Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. If you want to ask where the nearest cafe, where is the nearest cafe? Where is the nearest cafe? If you want to check if your card will work here, will my card work here? Will my card work here? If you want to know if photography is allowed, is photography allowed here? Is photography allowed here? If you want to ask someone to take your picture, could you take a picture of me, please? Could you take a picture of me, please? If you want to ask for extra book, could I have some extra book? Could I have some extra book? If you want to know the time right now, what time is it now? What time is it now? If you want to confirm if the food is vegetarian, is this food vegetarian? Is this food vegetarian? If you want to ask if there is a direct bus to the airport, is there a direct bus to the airport? Is there is a direct bus to the airport? If you want to know where to park your bike, where can I park my bike? Where can I park my bike? If you want to ask if they have home delivery, do you offer home delivery? Do you offer home delivery? If you want to check if you can pay later, can I pay later? Can I pay later? If you want to ask where the lift is, where is the lift? Where is the lift? If you want to know if the shop accepts credit cards, do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? If you want to check if the meeting room is free, is the meeting room free now? Is the meeting room free now? If you want to ask when the sale will end, when will the sale end? When will the sale end? If you want to confirm if the road is one way, is this is a one way road? Is this is a one way road? If you want to know the opening hours for tomorrow, what are your opening hours for tomorrow? What are your opening hours for tomorrow? If you want to ask where to find the wash basin, where is the wash basin? Where is the wash basin? If you want to ask if there is a discount available, is there any discount available? Is there any discount available? If you want to know where the bus ticket counter is, where is the bus ticket counter? Where is the bus ticket counter? Great job, guys. Now your homework time. Try answering the question on the screen. Please put your comments below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.